Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany bringing you another video. So I know it's been a minute, but if you want to know where I've been, what's been up, what's been the tea with me, what I've been doing during this quarantine, make sure you watch the video. I miss you guys so much. It feels so good to sit back in front of these cameras and do what I love to do. So make sure you like, you subscribe, you share the video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Mwah. Then Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefits. Yeah, number 5. So as everyone I know is like already aware of everything that's happening in the world today, it just gives you a second to sit back and, you know, get back to what you enjoyed doing. So I know I haven't done a video since my skin routine video. And I'm not too sure how long ago that was, but I know it was a while ago, and I haven't made a video since. So with everything that's going on, it really was like this is the perfect time for me to sit back down and create some content, because I haven't done so in so long. Girl is back. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. It's not as far as me making content, but kind of like the, you know, the quarantine that everybody's in, staying in the house and just not trying to really be outside so much, not trying to have too many interactions with other people. I'm not sure how long that is going to last, but while it's happening that way, I'm going to be home and trying to get some videos out, trying to put out some content, because why not? You know, this was my life. If I was a really well-known YouTuber and everything, this would be my life anyway, putting out YouTube content for my viewers and everything. So if that's the life that I'm aiming to live, then that's what I have to do, especially because I'm in the house anyway. You know, like, I couldn't let it go. And a quick update, because I haven't been on here, just because you don't see someone on YouTube or doing YouTube videos doesn't mean that they're not like accomplishing other goals that they set out and everything like that. So although being a YouTuber and, you know, having supporters and everything is really big for me and something that I actually want to, you know, I want to pursue, it doesn't mean that I have not been pursuing my other dreams just because I'm not on YouTube, okay? I still have a full-time job, and I'm blessed to actually still be able to work. I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 420. That's what I use for my eyebrows. What I have been doing on this quarantine, or even before the quarantine went into effect, so before everything happened, I was just working my regular job, going to work, and just really focusing on my career at Bank of America, to the point where I went into this year getting a promotion at work. So that was awesome, coming into the new year, being able to do that. And that's because I just really focused on what I had going on at work. You know, I made that my priority over YouTube, and I don't regret it. I don't regret it at all, because even though I wasn't making leeway here on YouTube, I'm still making leeway, you know, like in the real world, in reality, in the real world. And not saying that you don't make leeway on YouTube, you know, and everything like that, but I'm just saying, like, you know, in my career, I decided to just go ahead and take that serious. And your girl got a promotion, so yeah. I'm gonna be be going into an old palette because I want to do like a really pretty pinky type of glam nudish look. So I'm going to be going into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm going to be taking the color Semi Sweet. It's this brown shade here. So as I mentioned, I was just really taking my career seriously, and the girl was able to get a promotion coming into the new year. I actually got the promotion in February, so that was awesome. And I've just been really working and working and working and working and that's it, you know, with more okay, right, come higher responsibilities, right? So yeah. So it's just been a lot of work. I actually picked up a second job as well. I just really was like, I got this goal that I'm trying to accomplish by next year, and I'm not going to speak on what the actual goal is, but it did require me to get a second job and an entire vacation. And I was supposed to be going to Canada. I actually supposed to be in Canada right freaking now. I planned this Canada trip, and if y'all hear this beeping going on, I'm so sorry. It's literally my computer, because like I said, I'm working from home, so there's some beeps going on. Y'all gonna hear some beeps. I'm gonna go in with triple fudge, which is right here. So I was supposed to go to Quebec, and then I was supposed to travel to Toronto. Then from Toronto, I was supposed to hit up New York and then come home. So it was kind of like, you know, I was gonna be ping-ponging across the states, but of course, as we all know, travel to Canada from the United States got banned, so everything went crazy because I had to cancel my flights, etc., etc. Concealer and just dap it on my lids because I really do want the pink to be present, you know. A retreat for me because so much has been happening in the month of March. You know, I think everybody started taking everything a little bit more serious, and so I've been in this mood lately where I've just been saying what's on my mind. Like, whatever is on my mind, I'm saying it. I'm gonna go into Supreme by Jackie Aina. It's the collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna go into this palette, and I'm just tapping it. I'm tapping it over the concealer, building it up. I hit this milestone in my life because this is what we called it when we talked about it. Me and my friend, we called it a milestone, where I'm like just over people just, you know, just I don't know. I guess I guess I would say handling me carelessly, and I'm over that. I'm over how people just feel like they can say what they want to say or do what they want to do when it comes to me. So yeah, you can do what the fuck you want to do, but you can't do what the fuck you want to do when it comes to me. So I guess I'm at the stage where I'm just not taking no BS, and I've literally just been speaking my mind no matter what it is. I've just been speaking on it. If I feel like something is not right, if I feel like I don't agree, I'm just saying it, you know. Just avoid the conflict. I'm not into having unnecessary conflict with people, and I guess that's what I'm kind of saying. So it's not that I'm willing to just have conflict with people now, but it's me saying, if me addressing you about this leads to conflict, then that's what it leads to. So let me know if y'all ever felt like that. Let me know, because yeah, it's just what I've been dealing with for sure. I am using KVD. Which one is this? Tattoo Ultra Ink Liner. Yeah, it's that one. 19 Lashes by IMV. Love, love, love them. I put that on with some Duo Glue. ELF Foundation. The Oil Satin Finish Foundation by ELF in Mocha. My ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer as well. And this is in Deep Chestnut. You got the wrong one. Period. My line a little crooked, y'all. Oh Lord. Don't look at my line. It's a little crooked. Okay, that's better. And I'm also going to be taking the Camo Concealer, ELF Camo Concealer in Rich Ebony as well. It feels good to just sit down back in front of the camera and come back to what I love. Like, I never for a moment put this out of, like, you know, like my head as of something that I want to do, something that I love to do. I never put it out of my head. Like, this still has always been that for me. So go in with my Dream and Mousse foundation. And this is in the color Cocoa. So yeah, but besides that, y'all, I've been really good. It feels good to always come back and sit in front of the camera and literally do what I know I should be doing. Like, my love for makeup still has never stopped. Like, I don't know if people think that too. Like, when you stop YouTube, you know, is it because you don't think that you're good enough, or is it because you don't think that you want to do it anymore? No, that is not me. Not me at all. Like, I'm gonna always feel like I need to be doing YouTube because that's what I truly believe. I truly believe that YouTube is exactly where I need to be. But I always think of different avenues to just help and kind of like seeing out the goal. Sometimes causes me to not be on YouTube. Like, I still sit and watch videos every day on YouTube. Like, it does not matter. I'm still sitting on YouTube watching makeup videos, doing all of that. Doing all of it. I'm still doing all of that, even though I'm not doing videos. You know? Asha Buttercup Banana Powder. But everywhere else can get the business. Okay. Bronzing with this. Bronzer is my favorite part. Cause makeup. My favorite part. Cause you just get to see everything that you just work hard to do. And it all comes together once you bronze. So, yeah. Bronzing. With this. We're looking good, sis. I'm gonna just go and get some highlighter by Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome highlighter. If you don't know, now you know, okay? And I'm just gonna put some highlighter here. Like, we are back into the highlighter season, bro. Like, it is spring. It is gonna be summer pretty soon. So, you know. To kind of, you know, wake me up. Wake me up. without it being a shimmer. You know, we're gonna leave it all matte. When the last time y'all seen an all matte eye? Yeah. So we're gonna do it like that. Cute with some Morphe sediments. The NYX lip liner in Espresso. And with a favorite Morphe Pixie lip gloss. So that is the final look. Thank y'all for sticking around and chilling out with your girl to see another video, kind of like an update of where I've been, what I've been doing, and hopefully I can come back and just bring more videos to y'all because like I do love doing it. So I will see y'all in my next video, but watch another video if you haven't already. I got a skincare routine, I got stuff popping, so don't miss out on those videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.